And welcome to Atlantic. No. Welcome to Boshkale Bong Bong State. If you know who YouTuber is that, subscribe to his channel, Boshkale Bong Bong. And that's the Asian Hardian. Boshkale Bong Bong. Who don't know him? I'll go for this one. This thing looks neat and cool. I'm gonna turn damage off as soon as possible. Look at this junk right here. Oh, that was clean. Boom. Hey, oh, special move. Good morning. Morning to you. It's too early to say that. 6:20 in the morning, bruh. Um, Samsung still got that little type sound. It's annoying. Uh, Not really. Samsung, I'm a fan. Ooh, that hit hard. Man, that was the best flip ever. The best flip over ever. I kinda saved it. Ooh. Ooh, I saved it. I saved the whole thing. Ooh. Pop the bully. No, but to this right. Yay. Oh, okay. Okay. This. Save. Track. Get my favorite track. Show this. Look at this drift out. This 360 drift out. Dang it. You messed it up, y'all. Dang, bro. Bro, that would hit hard. Bro, that's my favorite thing to do in this game. Just do a little mini drift in this game. Bro, I'm hacking. No, I'm lacking. I almost saved it if that wheel wasn't turning. If it was turning wide enough. Bro, this GMC truck ain't saving it. I thought a Chevrolet truck was a Ford. Hold on, wait. Let me show you the best things about this thing. Bro, from real to that straight? Bro. Because the front wheel, that's the reason why I do that. It was a back wheel. It would have did a front flip or a back flip. I ain't never did a front flip or a back flip in my mouth or in my life, or unless Fatty tackled me. What Fatty look like? A pig. Look at a very fat pig, and that's what Fatty looked like. Hold on, wait, I can do a flip? Hold on. I can do different types of flips. I didn't know that. Look at this one. Like, I don't know how I discovered this out. But one time I ran into this thing and just ran. And just popped the wheelie right there. And then start to just, no. Time to open the spawner. What the? What?
Easycater is your soup to nuts tech platform for ordering food for your workplace. Yummy.
No, that's a 4. No. Ah, this the car that I got, but it's yellow. This the console that I got same type, but it's just yellow. Blank, blockhead, wow. Bro, this one looks so sick. I don't know to y'all, but look at my Roblox avatar. It's dripped out right now. I'm driving a monster truck without me even being in it.
In Minecraft. You ready for this, James? No, he's tired. There are so many items, and starting off.
No, I glitched in the game. I was like, glitched the game. And people were like, hey, there's a monster truck coming. Oh my god, bro. I would have been peeing my pants if I did that in real life.
This is just the basic stuff. This is our next item. It is a giant Minecraft torch with storage.
Oh, look at that.
Where you can put your other Minecraft items.
Boom, bro. You don't even know about the little special secret. I know for like 1 second. Actually, 1 day and a half. But look at this special secret. And this the reason why this person created that?
That's actually kind of bright. Let me see if it works in the dark. Come with me. Cold.
Okay, YouTube, I'm back. I had to do some very important stuff like washing the floor by hand. No, my mom not that strict. Dang it, I almost did a triple flip. Double flip, I guess. Boom. Ooh, you hit that hard. Hit that low note.
And a piece of coal. That's inductive. This should do it. Ladies and gentlemen,
Boom.
Minecrafters put
Alright, YouTube, this going pretty cool. Hold on, wait. All these stuff right here backwards.
oh my god, bro.
See how I did that far jump?
Go fight that tractor. It's the final boss. Tractor. So duct tape doesn't work very well. What about nails?
So I'm just watching YouTubes. Why am I not used to watching my YouTube video? Hey.
What's next? Come on, this was easy. What's next? Bow and arrow. That's classic. Okay, 3 string and 3 stick. Okay. Now the real question is, will it light? How? Yeah, it's just not. They usually come like pre-lit in the game. You don't really have to. Let's just build a Minecraft.
Yeah, I just brushed my hair. I'm keeping my hair clean.
In order to build a Minecraft board, I'm going to need 6 pieces of wood. We need a third stick. And I'm going to find a third stick. And 6. Okay, perfect. Oh god. So loud.
Boom, ooh, okay. Now it's actually slippery.
This door also acts as protection because it has nails all over it. Alright, let me just go inside. Hold on. Yeah! We got a Minecraft door! Alright, let's get this one side in.
Bro, all monster trucks have these 4 wheels that all move.
That's nice. Yeah, yeah. How do you make an arrow again? In this window right here, I figured we'd put some nice stained glass. First, we need some glass paint. The boat is completed. So we throw this board in the water. Can I do this here? Sure. I need help getting my boat in the water. One step for man, one Minecraft boat for mankind. And it's already sinking. I stapled everything. You can make a Minecraft boat and a fishing pole, but do they work? I'm gonna take that as a no. Test it out real quick. And here we go. Where is it? Alright, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. We got our
Why is this stuff in slow motion?
Minecraft boat. That's nice.
Look.
Long live the boat. Everyone needs armor, right? Oh yeah, probably. Like hold up armor. Just like the Minecraft recipe says. Can you hold this?
Ooh, okay, I saved it.
Perfect. We are now going to build a jukebox.
Oh, dirty.
We have
Take it over to my dad's house and wash. I'll wash this thing. Day and night. Yeah, I have to get 3 people to wash this thing. Man, rush it off first time. Boom, it's done. No, flat every single tire. With the power wash mode on that water hole.
Leather armor is going to be easy to build. You want to be the first user of leather armor today? What was I doing again? Shield. Oh yeah, how do you make it? How do you make it? Okay. Watch out, boys.
Oh wow, I'm off to town. I'm the best monster trucker.
We need our diamond for the middle, and we need our music disc. How does he do? Alright, let's go deliver this boy. To make a jukebox, we're just gonna throw the diamond in. We take our good old music disc, and we just plop it on. We got a jukebox, bro. Yeah. Yeah, here you go. rocking. Look, right when I take it off too, it'll stop. Right? Oh, no way! Yo, that's blowing my mind. Oh my god. Alright, we're building.
I didn't know what the jukebox was for in Minecraft.
Oh, we can do that. We can do that. Iron. Alright, I did it. So, in order to make a Minecraft bucket, we need 3 pieces of iron. There we go. Does it look like the recipe?
Dang. Let's say cute job and do not stop.
It didn't really block that one. It deflected it.
I clocked on that one.
As you can see.
Okay.
We can kind of stretch it out a little bit.
Even though I did an all 4-wheel off jump.
So we're just gonna set it down like this. This isn't really working.
No, I hate the map when it's raining. Like, why do it gotta rain in this game, bro? It's a monster truck game. Why you gotta make it slippery? Oh, that's even more boring. Not as boring as me just not listening to music. I ain't got no speaker.
Now we just gotta see if it can hold water. There we go. We got our bucket of water.
I do.
I don't know. This place is pretty nice. We got our full bed. We got a jukebox. We got a window. We even have.
Silly Goober just 2 fingers. 2 fingers. Oh wow, let me search up.
Only the biggest Minecraft fans will spend hours, days, thousands of dollars building a 50-foot
monster truck, okay.
levels of housing.
Okay, even though I searched it up wrong. I wonder how I searched it wrong.
We're going way bigger. Let me show you. I'll go back.
It's still early, so I'll do monster truck jam. Dang, that thing shoot out water? Shit, man, I would be splashing every single body. Ooh. I say, ooh, I got braids on here. Oh, wow. This looks idiot-ish. Ugh, what is so physics? Why you got no physics? Is this the very first Roblox game on Roblox? Mustard! Mustard. Mustard! Ah, yeah. It's the bad, but somebody gotta do it. Get my foot up on the dash, but somebody gotta do it. Turn the TV off. 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 If one of my hands on the tablet, how am I clapping? Do you got a dirty mind? I'm using my foot. What y'all thought? I'm using my foot. Bro, this sucks divorcing the sound. Divorced. Bro, what in the world? Why is there so many map? No, let me do this one. No, let me do this one. Yes. I want to go to Los Angeles with this. Yeah, right here. This is the monster truck that I have. This is the monster truck that I just see, but this is the monster truck that I have in toy. Let me just. Ooh, welcome to Los Angeles. Welcome to Los Angeles. Bad company. Aye, Captain. Dang. Let's spawn that joint. He spawned that joint.
Green shit. No, there ain't no way. Come on, big boy. Well, the first thing I'm gonna do is clean my room. Because as you can see,
Welcome
it's disgusting.
to Los Angeles.
Ugly wallpaper.
How did I just do that?
And Christmas lights?
Did I run over this?
Now we have a table.
Oh, that was a fun one. That was a big one. That was a good one. Hold on, wait, is it one of these big flip things? Or do it just...
Is that a blender?
Is it one of these flip things?
What did you mean?
Things that you flip on?
A blender?
It is.
Really? That's not even all I grabbed. Yo,
Okay.
James grabbed a blender, ice cream, protein shake, whipped cream, blankets, phone charger, and toilet paper. Oh, dude, he's gonna win. How are we supposed to beat that? Huh?
2025 be like 2065.
You know what this is? It's a chair. Ready? Dude, I just made a beanbag. What's up, dude?
Alright, I gotta go. Bye-bye.
Pick a color. Red.
I don't think that's allowed in Monster Jam place.
Pick a color. Green. Don't try it yet. Oh, look, it's James.
Bro, imagine someone taller than that thing.
Choose a different color. Green. Different color. Purple. What's this? Don't try it. Pick a color. Cheers. Oh, everyone's got one? Yeah. Yeah. It's doing good.
Dang it, I got my stuff stuck.
You're still drinking it? Dude, it's hot. I'm thirsty. Good luck, boys. There's our secret. Are you using that ice cream over there?
Um,
Alright.
the world.
Oh, nice. I told you the board. I'm just gonna look now. Make it. Really just smells like vanilla in here now. Better be careful. It's time for me.
Ooh, like a Chevrolet. Silverado.
What are you doing down there, dude? Oh, nothing.
Skirt.
I'm just driving my RC car.
Yeah. Skirt.
I guess it's time to grill.
Yeah.
We're cooking, baby. We're cooking.
Skirt.
Is this the door to the downstairs door? Now we're not gonna have any steaks. We're gonna let all the cold air out. We broke the door, so the AC is gonna go away. Driving my RC car, hanging out with my creeper. Open the door! I'm sorry for what I'm about to do. What is that?
Watch my brows go from this to this. This brow pen creates more natural and fuller-looking brows with minimal effort.
Oh my god.
1 hour curbside pickup.
What's up, Unspeakable?
Want to take the next step with
I forgot to turn off damage.
your healthcare provider.
Well, let's break the whole truck off. Let's break the whole body off this truck.
Connect you with additional support programs.
Yeah, let me catch you lacking. Swiss cheese.